What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. I know. I have been gone for so long here on YouTube. I haven't been posting. I actually have still a lot of videos and I just need to edit and kind of post. But I have been active, very active on my TikTok. So if you guys are interested in still watching my videos and keeping up with me, I am on TikTok at CMac31, posting consistently over there. I am coming back to YouTube very, very soon. I've been posting some of my shorts here, but I do have some videos that I want to shoot for YouTube as well, especially because we're almost at 3K subscribers. You guys already know what that means. Once we hit 3K, we are doing a giveaway. So you guys comment down below what you guys think I should give away. Whether that's something custom, whether that's a pair of shoes, whatever you guys want, leave it down in the comment section of what do you guys want me to see give away. But without further ado, no more talking. I just want to unbox what you guys came here to see, which are the Taxi 12. Now, these came out, I don't even know what year they came out, but I remember I cried. I did not get them. I was so upset that I didn't get them when they came out a couple of years ago. So it's crazy that how all of these shoes are coming back around and I am able to get my hands on a pair. I'm not the type that needs, you know, kind of a rare pair of shoes. I like shoes because I like them, not because they're worth. So if you guys also didn't know, I love 12s. So 12s is probably one of my top 3 Jordans. I'm not gonna lie. I can open this box. Ooh! This shoe, I did get a men's size, but I believe it's just a 7.5. This box looks huge though for some reason. So this is a 7.5. Ooh, and it came in a Nike box, which I guess I never really had. Did the original Taxis come in like this box, or was it like a different box? This is what the box is looking like. Again, size 7.5, men's size, so I did not get a grade school size. Let's get into it. Like, I feel like I just don't want to talk and I just want to see what the shoe, you guys don't want to see the receipts. I just want to see what the shoe looks like. I just want to, I finally got my hands on a pair. This is what they're looking like, y'all. Did y'all cop y'all 12s? Y'all Taxi 12s? Let me know if y'all copped. I read some mixed reviews saying that like these weren't like the best quality anymore. Like I know I have seen, like I've noticed that Jordan is not, he's worrying about pushing out shoes more than he is about, you know, kind of the quality on the shoe, but it's still okay. These are still fire. I see what they're saying about the quality though. They keep raising the prices, but not the quality. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Y'all, I think it was my last unboxing video of, what did I unbox? What was my last unboxing video? It wasn't the 11s. It was the, fuck, I'm drawing a blank. Let me see. Black Cat 3s, bro. Yes, in the Black Cat 3s video, I stated that I want the Black Cat 4s. Isn't it ironic that the Black Cat 4s are dropping this year as well? Or why isn't anyone talking about this? Like, I just feel like we're not hyped enough. Like, I guess we want to keep it down low, right? I think so. But anyways, back to the Taxis. I hope I get my hands on the Black Cat 4s. But, and wow, I was going to miss the Gamma coming out. I mean, the 11s is coming out in December. Y'all know when I did the Jordan 11 Legend Blue unboxing. I love 11s is top 1 Jordan for me. But this is what the Taxi 12s are looking like. Let me know if you guys cop down below. Let me know if you guys are fucking with the quality. Do they need to step up the quality? Just let me know what you guys think. If you guys are subscribed, thank you so much. I'm sorry this is such like a random video to post. I'm making my leeway back into YouTube, so I'm not done with the customs. As you guys can see, I have a different background from my last video, so I have been moving, renovating, and all of this stuff, so I will explain that in that video when I actually come back to YouTube, but I have not stopped customizing. Again, I have been consistent on TikTok, so head over to my TikTok, follow my TikTok, see what I've been creating this far. But without further ado, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below. As always, stay positive, and you know I'll be back.